Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your host Meenakshi again. Today's video is going to be very special as I'll be showing you something different. I'll be showing you how the people of Assam and the Assamese people in the village, they make their own rice beer at home. I would also like to tell you that this is nothing commercial. This is totally for home consumption. They usually do these during festivals, and they make their own rice beer, which again has many other health benefits also. So basically I'll be showing you the process, how they do it, how they extract the alcohol from the rice. So it's going to be a very interesting video. So let's start. একো নহয়. So this is Ronju Rohag. So she is the one who will be preparing the rice beer, and she is basically a Kabi woman. It's a tribe of Assam. So they usually make this rice beer at home for their own personal consumption. So she knows how they do it traditionally. So I'll be covering the whole process, how they do it. So let's get started with Ranju. So guys, I have also wore this traditional Kabi dress. It's kind of skirt, which I have tied it on my chest, and this is a kind of a towel thing, which we tie on the waist so that the skirt doesn't fall off. There's a knot here, and it is called kokali. Kokali means waist. Since I'm tying it on my waist, it is called kokali. And usually the Kabi dress is black, but right now I'm wearing a green one. So hope I'm looking good. Ranju has made me wear this. She's really so lovely. So hope I'm looking good on this. So let's start the process now of preparing the rice beer. So Ranju is all set to prepare the rice beer. As you can see behind me, there is a fireplace there, and there's a huge pot where the rice will be cooked. So she'll be lighting the fire first. So I'll be showing you the process. So this is the kerosene oil she'll be using to lit the fire, and these are some ashes, and this is some bamboos, and this is the huge pot where the rice will be cooked. There's a huge pot. So there she is, Ranju. First of all, she'll be lighting the fire. So these are some dry bamboo she is using to lit the fire. She has kept some bricks to create a fireplace. There's another fireplace here which they use it, but right now she's doing it here. So the pot is here on the fireplace, and Ranju is pouring some. First of all, she's pouring some water. কিমান পানী দিবা এতে? আৰু অলপ ন? মানে আধাখিনি. So she'll fill the pot with half water. So the fire is on. So she'll be cooking 10 kgs of rice on this water. I think she's using around 10 liters for 10 kgs of water. So we are waiting for the water to get boiled. Okay, now she has covered this pot with another pot so that the water gets boiled sooner. It's looking beautiful, although. So Ranju is all set to prepare the rice beer. She's cleaning the rice. And let me check the quality of the rice she's using. So this rice is quite different what I can see than not the normal one which we eat at home. This is called uhua saul, which means it is a pre-boiled rice. So I asked her already why she's using this rice. She told me that since this is a pre-boiled rice and it is an old rice, the quality of the rice beer will be much better. So she's trying to check out if there is any waste on this rice. She's trying to clean up everything. So these are some waste which are eaten by these chickens. She's rearing some chickens at home, which is a common scene in the villages of Assam. So Ranju has dusted the rice. It's almost done. I think this is the last batch. So that all waste from the rice goes away. She's dusting it. There she is dusting it. So it's almost done dusting the rice. So okay. She's done dusting the rice so that all the waste and dust from the rice is gone. I'm waiting for the water to get boiled properly so that the rice can be put here. Ranju is trying to lit the fire properly. I mean, there's a lot of smoke here, but I'm really enjoying the whole process. So this is a big spoon which Ranju will be using to stir the rice. So this is a wooden spoon. It's a huge one. So she will be using this to stir the rice. So the water has started to boil, and the rice is here on in this bag. And this is Ranju, and she's pouring the rice into the water. And now she'll be stirring the rice. Until it is cooked, the rice will be here. So the rice will be cooked properly on this big pot, and now she has covered that so that the rice is cooked properly. So guys, what you can see in my hand is called bakhor. It's basically the medicine which is used with the boiled rice to prepare the rice beer. It is made with rice powder and a few other medicinal leaves. The leaves which you can see behind me, these are the leaves which are mixed together into a thin paste, and then it is mixed with rice powder and made into balls like this and dried and kept it for future use as well. So these balls will be used with the boiled rice to prepare the rice beer. Okay, the name of this leaf is Gomari. So this is one leaf which is used to prepare this bakhor, and this is Dhekia. Bahaka. And this leaf is called Bahaka. Borbhek. And this is Borbhek. So these are the leaves which are used to prepare the ball. This is called bakhor again. So for 10 kgs of rice beer, she'll be using around 30 balls like this. Chista hole kiman ojon hobo?
Ojon to kiman ba hobo ja?
Well, they don't know exactly what will be the weight of the powder which will be used for 10 kgs of rice beer, but I think we can have a idea looking at the size of the ball on my palm. So this is the size of the ball. It looks more like a plum. I mean the size of a plum, this local plum. And she's grinding it with a bottle. গুড়ি কৰা পিছত mix কৰিম ন? So after grinding the this balls, it will be mixed with the cooked rice. Okay, the process is going on for the rice beer. Ranju has asked me to check if the rice is done. So I'm just coming towards the pot to see if the rice is done or not. It has to be properly cooked. So let's have a look. So the rice looks almost done. Okay, this is Prabha Teron. She's a neighbor. Her name is Prabha. And since she has come to know that we are preparing rice beer, she has come to give a lending hand to help us out. The rice is done. Kora. They will keep the rice here on the ground. And what I have been told is now they will spread the rice so that it gets cooled. And after that, they will be mixing this rice with the bakhor powder. Oh, this is a beautiful process of carrying. I haven't seen this before. This is a very smart way of carrying this huge pot. We all are enjoying. I can imagine the hard work these women do. The rice is done. So Ranju is taking out the cooked rice and she will be spreading this hot cooked rice on this polythene paper. So the process is after cooling, she'll be using that powder. I mean, she'll be mixing that powder with this cooked rice. So Prabha is also helping us. She's spreading the hot rice. So we are done with spreading the rice and we have to wait until the rice gets cold to mix the bakhor powder with the rice. The boiled rice has cooled down. We waited for almost around half an hour. So after half an hour, the cooked rice has cooled down, and now Ranju is mixing with that powder which she had prepared after grinding that bakhor balls. So this is how she is mixing the powder with this boiled rice. And Prabha is helping us with that. This has to be mixed very thoroughly. So for 10 kgs of boiled rice, she has used almost 30 such balls, which I had shown you. And then after cooling the rice properly, we waited for almost half an hour to cool the rice properly. Ranju and Prabha is mixing that powder with this cooked rice. And once it is mixed properly, they will cover this and keep it for almost 48 hours. Since it is winter now, it has to be kept for almost 48 hours. Otherwise, during summer, it has to be kept covered for 24 hours. So once this is done, we will be covering this whole rice. And like today is Monday, so tomorrow is Tuesday. Wednesday morning we will be checking out the condition of the rice, whether it is prepared for the next phase. Ita dhaki diba na?
ইয়াতে থৈ দিম
So the mixing is done, and now they will be covering this. So from outside we have brought the rice inside, and it is already mixed with that medicine which I had shown you earlier. And now they will be covering this for the next 48 hours. And after 48 hours we will check how far the rice is ready for the next phase. Wow, that looks interesting. They are tucking it properly. The airtight banaile no bata nohba bole. So that no air can enter. They have tucked it properly from all the sides. So this will remain like this for the next 48 hours. So guys, we are done for the day of the first phase of preparing the rice beer. So the next phase will start after 48 hours. So I'll see you guys in the next phase of making the rice beer.